From the elite tactical brand of Master Cutlery, this is item number M-3001S. This is a very high quality folding knife, extremely rugged, extremely durable. The handle scales are G10, right? Machined G10 with an excellent texture. The pocket clip is adjustable. It can be any of 4 positions. See that there? It gives you options. Deployment is via dual thumb studs. These are officially licensed by the U.S. Marine Corps. Now the blade itself is 440C, and look how wide this blade is. This is made to take any abuse you can give it. In an emergency, it can even pry. See the combination edge, the extra wide drop point. In addition to having an incredibly strong tip, it also gives you much more curvature to the belly for slicing techniques. The lockup is rock solid. See, liner lock, easy to disengage. You can also deploy it via the index flipper. The heavy blade comes out with authority. And overall, I think this elite tactical line from Master Cutlery is one of their best product lines. The premium materials, the construction, it's just all first rate. From Master Cutlery, elite tactical brand, the M3001S.